أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين النبيين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين للتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, hope everyone is well. And can everyone hear me loud and clearly?
Wa alaikum assalam. Yes.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Sheikh?
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Sister Shanaz Aziz, where have you reached?
Yallah. We did about.
Sorry,
Hello, we did.
Yes.
By mistake, I put it off. We did conjugation of the verbs of atayna and ikfir lana.
Yep.
Forgive. Yes.
Correct.
Past and present tenses we did.
Brilliant. And where have you reached in the lesson so far?
No, we didn't start the lesson, no? We didn't start lesson 1.
Correct.
You said first we would do this revision little.
Yep, that's correct. So now today I'm going to start with the lesson itself, and I will ask Sister yourself, Sister Zakia. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Sister Zakia, can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, I can hear you. Assalamu
How are you? Alaikum assalam. How are you?
Yeah, alhamdulillah, fine.
Alhamdulillah. So I would like you to start off with Sister Shanaz Aziz reading this lesson. So this lesson, before I start, is talking about inna itself. Now, first of all, we need to understand the first lesson which I gave. I spoke about mubtada and khabar, subject and predicate. Do you remember that?
Yes.
So, for example, now we spoke about last week. Alaikum salam. So last week we spoke about, where is it gone? Let me show you. Let me go to the points to remember. So let's, like, if you see over here, it says Zakia. So if you look over here, al-mudarrisu jadidun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. What does this mean?
Al-mudarrisu jadidun.
The teacher
is new.
Exactly. The teacher is new. Now, when inna comes in the beginning of the sentence,
yes,
is it from al-mudarrisu, which has a dhamma and a definite article?
Yes.
It changes to a fatha. So inna mudarrisa and jadidun. Jadidun is a dhamma. However, al-mudarrisu no longer remains a subject, but it becomes the ism of inna, and jadidun becomes the khabar of inna. Inna takes ownership of the whole nominal sentence. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Okay, let me just kindly ask yourself to read this page, and then inshallah we'll start the lesson. In this lesson we learn the following. Inna, go ahead please.
Okay. Inna, in Arabic, there are 2 types of sentences. The nominal sentence, al-jumlatul ismiya, wherein the first word is a noun. Example, al-kitabu sahlun. The book is easy.
Correct.
The noun which commences the nominal sentence is called the mubtada.
Correct. And do you remember also I said there are certain things which can become a mubtada. Do you remember that? No?
The sign dhamma shows it's a mubtada?
Yeah, dhamma is a mubtada.
And the noun.
What nouns? What nouns can come as mubtada? Do you remember them? What types of nouns? So one of the examples is that any noun which has alif lam, the definite article, the, can come as a subject, number 1. Number 2, if you haven't wrote this down, you can write this down, it would be really helpful. Number 2 is all pronouns, like huwa zaydun. Huwa, all pronoun can come as subjects. Number 2. Number 3.
Yes.
Number 3, all proper nouns. Proper nouns
Yes.
mean by all names of
Proper.
individuals.
Okay.
Zayd, Muhammad, Bakr,
Yes.
Khalid. These are names of individuals.
Yes.
They can come as subjects. Number 3. Number 4.
Yes.
Number 4 is that all, what is it? All demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns is, remember hard in lesson number 1, book 1. Hada kitabun. Do you remember that?
Yes. Yes.
So hada itself can come as a subject.
Yeah. Mubtada. Yeah.
Exactly. So these are the 4 things at the moment which I want you to familiarize yourself that can come as mubtada. And also in the demonstrative pronouns, hada and dhalika. Hada and dhalika are coming from the same category as well. Hada, dhalika, and tilka as well can come as subjects. And the other thing which I mentioned last time as well, just to refresh everyone's memory, what happens to the khabar? As I said, as you see in the example here, al-kitabu sahlun. Does the khabar come definite or indefinite? What is the actual?
Indefinite. Dammatain it will have.
Excellent. Brilliant. So now continue, Sister Zakia.
Okay. Number B.
Yep.
The verbal sentence al-jumlatul fi'liya, wherein the first word is a verb. Example, kharaja Bilalun. Bilal went out.
Yep.
So this is a verbal sentence.
Correct.
Okay. The particle inna is used at the beginning of a nominal sentence. Example, al-kitabu sahlun becomes inna al-kitaba sahlun. So
Correct.
note that the noun after inna is mansub.
Which one is it? What does it mean, mansub? Show me which one is mansub.
Because of the fatha.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because it has an a ending after the introduction of inna.
Excellent.
So the mubtada is no longer called mubtada, but is instead called ismu inna.
Excellent.
And the khabar is called khabaru inna.
Excellent. Is that clear?
Okay, yes, very clear. Inna signifies emphasis. It can be translated as indeed, surely, no doubt, and verily. Shall I continue?
Sister Shanaz Aziz, you read these examples and then we'll start the lesson.
Okay. Note the following. If the mubtada has one dhamma, it changes into one fatha after inna. For example, innal mudarrisu jadidun.
Innal mudarrisa.
Innal mudarrisa jadidun. Sorry, the first I had to read this. Al mudarrisu jadidun will change to innal mudarrisa jadidun. Aminatu talibatun will change to inna aminata talibatun. If the mubtada has 2 dhammas, they change to 2 fathas. For example, inna hamidun maridun. Inna hamidan maridun.
So what's happening here now?
It's changing to fatha.
Correct. Now, the other point which I need to do before I move on is the word. Now, last lesson, I spoke about this. I need to explain this, and then I'll start the lesson. Just to refresh everyone's memory. This example, and then I'll start the lesson. Now,
which page is it?
Normally, this is page number 5.
Okay.
Page number 5.
Okay.
If I explain this now, it'll be easier for you to understand. If you just go to the page number for exercise 4, can you see this here? Huwa tajirun.
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
What does that translate to be?
He is a merchant.
He is a merchant, correct. Now, when inna comes in the beginning of the sentence, and if in the beginning of the sentence there is a pronoun, what is in the beginning of the sentence? A pronoun. Now, when inna and the pronoun comes together in a sentence, it will not be innahu, but it will become abbreviated to innahu.
Yeah.
And inna plus hiya, if hiya, for example, hiya mutazawwijatun, if you see the bottom, hiya mutazawwijatun, she is married. So inna plus hiya means innaha, surely she. So if a sentence, what was that, Shanaz?
No, innaha it will become, right?
Correct. And then if a sentence starts with antum, sorry, antum, what would it become?
Innakum.
Excellent. Innakum. Shanaz Aziz? Yeah?
No,
Inna.
I didn't say it. So someone else said it.
I know, this is,
Innakum.
yeah, this is Zakia. Sister Tahira. I'm going to ask Sister Tahira.
Yes.
Inna and hunna, if it is in the beginning of the sentence, what will it become?
In
Inna.
kunna.
Inna hunna.
Inna kunna.
No, inna hunna.
Yalla, yalla.
Inna hunna.
Inna hunna, correct. And if it was
Sorry,
kunna,
Sheikh, I had missed the classes last week. I had guest at home and I could not hear the this recording also.
okay, that's fine.
So
we
I
can't-
missed the class. I'm
Don't
sorry,
worry,
Sheikh.
we're doing revision, not to worry. So if it's inna plus antunna, you all females, it will be abbreviated to inna kunna.
Kunna.
Kunna. Excellent. Sister, Dr. Shabir. Dr. Shabir? Dr. Shabir Karim, are you there?
Yes, yes, dear.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. How are things in Africa, Doctor? In South Africa?
We are all in the sky right now. I mean, it's an uncertain situation here with this Omicron.
Yeah. But just
But it is the safest one so far in the all the variants. So alhamdulillah, there are no deaths from here.
Okay. Alhamdulillah, that's good news then. Alhamdulillah. So, Doctor, if it's inna and plus hum, the abbreviation when it will become inna.
Innahum.
Innahum. Excellent. And if it is nahnu muslimuna, we are Muslims, when inna comes and you want to say surely we are Muslims, there are two abbreviations. What would it be?
Innana.
Yep. Or?
Inna.
Excellent. And if it's I am ana talibun, how would you say surely I am a student?
Innani.
Yep.
Inni.
Correct. Innani or inni talibun.
Inna talibun.
Excellent. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, let's start.
Excuse me, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam. Yes.
Yeah. Alaikum salam. Can I ask you a question, please?
Go ahead, Sister Farida.
So you said that pronouns can also come as mubtada.
Correct.
So for example, inna plus huwa becomes innahu.
Correct.
So that means who is ismu inna?
MashaAllah. Correct.
Yeah. So the only thing is that now I don't understand because it takes dhamma and not a fatha.
Correct. So what happened? That's a very good question. Now, what happens is that all pronouns.
Yes.
Do you remember about declinable and non-declinable verbs? Non-declinable nouns and non-declinable nouns. Remember, we did some nouns like
Dipto.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Now the pronouns, all the pronouns are also indeclinable. They do not change. They're stubborn.
Okay.
They're
All
stubborn.
right. Okay.
They are stubborn nouns which do not take the harakat which they deserve. So what we normally do with these stubborn nouns in the Arabic language,
yes,
we will say they are situated or they are located in receiving the fatha or the fatha case, fatha i'rab, but because they are pronouns, the harakat is hidden, is not visible.
Okay. All right. But it still is more inna. Yeah?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
You
All
say
right.
inna.
Okay.
You say who is the ism of inna. However, the harakat is muqaddar. Muqaddar means hidden.
Okay, all right. Okay, I get it. Thank you.
Good question. I like the question. Any other questions?
That's it for now. Thank you.
Anyone else? Any questions? Any questions from anyone? Right, okay, let's get Sister Shanaz and Sister Zakia, because Sister Zakia, I haven't seen her on the mic for a while. So Sister Zakia, Bismillah, let's start.
Hashim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sister Shanaz Aziz, respond.
Okay. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sister Zakia?
كيف حالك يا أستاذ؟ لعلك بخير.
Alhamdulillah.
Sorry, translate as well. كيف حالك يا أستاذ؟ لعلك بخير.
Okay. How are you, oh teacher?
لعلك بخير. The word
لعلك بخير.
لعل means what? I hope. لعل
I
means
hope.
I hope.
Hope.
Yeah, I hope.
you are well.
I hope you are fine. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, fine. Wa kaifa haluka anta ya Hashimu? How are you, O Hashim? Ana uhibbuka kasiran ya kasiran. Then the sentence continues, okay.
Yes, continues, yes.
Ana uhibbuka kasiran. I like you very much.
Correct.
Ya, O Hashim. Innaka talibun zakiyun. You are a hardworking student, intelligent student, right? You are an intelligent student.
No. Sorry. إنك طالب
You are
ذكي ومجتهد وذو خلق. So you got 1, 2,
2 and
3
3.
qualities. 3 qualities.
Yeah, you are an intelligent, hardworking, and what is khuluqin?
So akhlaq and khuluq is etiquette. Dhu,
Etiquette.
dhu, the word dhal, wow, comes in the meaning of possessing. Sahib. Sahibu,
Okay.
dhu, sahibu khuluqin. You possess high morals.
Morals. Okay. So you are an intelligent, hardworking, and a
Well-mannered.
morally good, and a
Well-mannered. You can use the word well-mannered.
well-mannered student. Yes, well-mannered student. Amin, Pakistan, Anta, Amma Minal, Hindi, Ya Hashim. Are you from Pakistan or are you from India?
Inni
Oh,
minal
Hashim.
Hindi. Inni minal Hindi. I'm from India.
No, not I am. Inni. Inni comes in
Surely.
the meaning of
Surely, yeah. Surely I'm from India.
correct.
وزميلك الذي خرج معك الآن من الفصل. And your friend
Because Zamil means colleague.
and your colleague who went out from here now,
No, ma'aka, who went with you.
who went with you from the class.
Correct.
Ahua Aidan min al Hindi. Is he also from India?
Correct.
La innahu min Pakistan. No, surely he is from Pakistan.
So can you see here? Innahu, it should have been huwa min Pakistan. Huwa min Pakistan will be translated as he is
From Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
Simple.
exactly.
No definite, no surely.
Exactly. It means surely he is from Pakistan. Continue. Sister Shanaz Aziz. Inna
Saataka Jamilatun Ya Hashimu Aminal Yabani here. 1 minute. Inna surely Saatak your
watch.
Surely your watch is beautiful, O Hashim. Is it from Japan?
Excellent.
La innaha min al Hindi. No, Surely it is from India.
And how would you say sure? Instead of surely it is from India, if you want to say it is from India, how would you say that? It is from India.
It is from India.
Yeah.
Okay.
How would you say that?
Verily it is
No,
from
no, no,
India.
no.
No.
It's a
That is from
innaha.
her.
Innaha.
Yeah.
Exactly. Here. So here is the original sentence. Hiya min al Hindi. But if you want to say verily, so the hiya changes to ha. So innaha min al Hindi.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So here was the original pronoun, but when when inna comes, then the attached pronoun, which is the ha, is used instead.
Yeah.
Huwa,
Yes.
like innahu min Pakistan. Huwa was the detached pronoun, but when you have to use the attached pronoun, it becomes hu. So innahu.
Yeah. Yes.
Is that clear now for you?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Next one, sister Shanaz.
Agaliyatun hiya am rakhisatun. Is it good and cheap?
Yep.
إنها رخيصة جدا. Surely it is very cheap.
Excellent.
إنها بمئة روبية فقط. It is for 100 rupees only.
Excellent. And last sentence, sister.
Kam akhlaka ya Hashim. Kam akhan laka. Sorry, kam akhan laka. How many brothers do you have, O Hashim?
Excellent. Now I'm going to ask Sister Ismat, Rahmatullah, and also Sister Sadiqa Aladina from London.
I think Sadiqa is not in today.
Do you know her? Yes.
Because I think she's not. Yeah, I know her.
Okay. Then
I think she sent you a message as well.
I didn't get the chance to check that.
Okay.
Right. Then do you want to choose your pair then?
Sorry.
You want to choose your pair?
Oh, okay. Hold on. Oh.
Choose anyone.
Batul Laka.
Okay.
He's an expert, you know.
Assalamu alaikum.
So Sister Batul, can you become Mudarris and then Sister Ismat will become Hashim? Go ahead.
Okay, fine.
Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Li salasatu ikhwatin. I have 3 brothers.
Right.
At-tullabun hum are the students.
Okay. La innahum tujarun. No, they are merchants.
Inna, what does inna mean? Surely.
Surely they are tujar means merchants.
Correct.
Wa kam ukhtan laka? How many sisters do you have?
Li arba'u akhwatin. I have 4
Akhawatin.
akhawatin. I have 4 sisters.
في الهندي في الهندي هن الآن. Are they in India right now?
لا إنهن هنا بالمدينة المنورة مع أبي وأمي. No, certainly they are there هنا. I don't know.
They are here.
Yeah. بالمدينة in مدينة المنورة مع أبي with father and mother.
Yeah. Okay. الطالبات هن are they students?
لا إنهن certainly they are مدرسات. They are teachers. Yeah, thank you, because I can't see properly. They are teachers in the بالمدرسة الثانوية. They are in the sorry.
Yep. بالمدرسة الثانوية.
Yeah, they are teachers in the school of secondary school.
Yeah, in the secondary school. Excellent.
Secondary school.
Right. Can I now request can I request Fatima Aslam ask questions to Zainab Sharif?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Sister Fatima Aslam and Zainab Sharif, are you there? Sister Zainab Sharif, unmute yourself. Sister Zainab Sharif? Okay, she's not unmuting herself. Then Fatima Aslam, then you will ask questions to Sister Sadiqa Aladina from Africa or Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, I can't remember. Sister Sadiqa Aladina?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. So Sister Fatima Aslam, ask questions from the exercises to Sister. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Min aina Hashimun? Who?
No, min, from.
Min, where? From where? Aina Hashimun. From where are you, Hashim?
No, from where
No,
is Hashim from?
Is Hashim? Yeah. From where is Hashim?
Hashimun min al-Hind.
Hashimun?
Min al-Hind.
Hashimun min al-Hind. I want you to change that sentence. Say, I want you to say he is from India.
Huwa min al-Hind.
Huwa min al-Hind.
Huwa min al-Hind. Next question.
Huwa Hashimun, but there was a mistake. Huwa min al-Hind. Okay.
Huwa min al-Hind. Okay. I want you to change the sentence again, and I want you now to say, surely he is from India.
Innahu min al-Hind.
How do you say I am from India?
Ana min al-Hind.
Surely I, okay, Ana min al-Hind. And how do you say surely I am from India?
Innani min al-India. Hind, basically.
Yeah. Innani min al-Hind or inni min al-Hind.
Or inni min al-Hind, yes.
Sister, I want you to ask the question to Sister Fatima Aslam now. Same question. Next question, number 2. So, ayuhibbuhu al-mudarrisu? So, Sister Sadiqa Aladin, ask this question.
Sorry. Yeah. Ayuhibbuhu. Sorry, it's.
Let me just go back up. There you go. Ayuhibbuhu.
Ayuhibbuhu al-mudarrisu. Does he like his teacher? Something like that.
No.
Sorry. Does the teacher likes?
Is his teacher like him?
Excellent, Sister Zainab Sharif and Sister Laka. Yeah, the al-mudarrisu has a dhamma. So the verb is yuhibbu. Does the teacher like him?
Naam.
All confused me because of the is,
So means is the teacher, does the teacher like him? And the answer is Fatima Aslam.
Naam. Yuhibbuhu kasiran.
Yuhibbuhu.
Yuhibbuhu kasiran wa bas kasiran ye.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Or how would you say surely?
Innahu
Surely.
Innahu kasiran.
Innahu. No, innahu. Surely. Surely. Innahu. No, you were saying innahu. You're not doing any. You will not be.
Innahu. Yeah, innahu.
No. In this way now, what you need to do here, you will say surely the teacher likes him a lot. You'll say innal mudarrisa. So innal mudarrisa, which means surely the teacher, yuhibbuhu. So you can write this down. Innal mudarrisa, surely the teacher, yuhibbuhu, likes him.
Okay. Innal mudarrisa yuhibbu
Who?
Yuhibbuhu. Yeah. Okay. Then now third question. Min aina sa'atu? Whose watch is this?
No.
Min aina sa'atuhu? No, where is this watch from?
From where is his watch, no?
Yeah.
From where? From where is his watch from? Meaning where is it made? Sister Sadiqa, are you there? No, she's not answering. Zainab Sharif, go ahead.
ساعته من الهندي.
ساعته من الهندي.
His watch is from India.
Sister Zainab Sharif, ask the next question. Ask the question and translate.
Become here. How much is this off? Or how much is
it?
This price is?
Yep. Sister Fatima,
Yeah, here, if innahu wa innaha, indeed it is for 100 rupees, no?
No, not in English, in Arabic.
Yeah, but it should be innaha.
Yeah.
Is it right? I'm just saying that innaha.
Yeah.
You see,
Correct.
where's the answer there?
إنها ب100 روبية.
Okay. Innaha bimati rupiya. Rubiya. Okay. Rubiyati.
Correct. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic, please? Sister Fatima Aslam, can you choose the next student to come on the mic?
1 second. Naeem Fatima Jafar, she came.
Okay, no, she hasn't. Can Sister Zainab Sharif choose the next student?
Sister Shanaz Manji.
Sister Shanaz Manji. Is it Shanaz Aziz and Shanaz Manji?
No. Shanaz Aziz is from Jeddah.
No.
Shanaz Manji is from Dar Islam.
Check, after so many classes you are asking
Where's Shanaz? Okay. So Shanaz, okay, I didn't realize that.
Then Sister Farida.
Okay, Sister Farida, go ahead. Sister Farida has a chance already. Let's bring Dr. Shabir. No, let's Ruxana Sundarji.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sister Ruxana Sundarji there?
Yes.
Alaikum assalam. Let's do the next question.
Yes.
Go ahead. Sister, ask the question. Kam akhan. There you go. Number 5. Kam
akhan lahu.
Yep. Go ahead, Sister Naeem Fatima. Kam akhan lahu. Answer, Sister Ruxana.
It's ukhtan, no? It's ukhtan.
No, kam akhan. No, number 5. Kam akhan lahu. How many brothers does he have?
Okay, yeah. That.
Lahu akhan kamsata.
No. Let's you read the numbers wrong. What's the ruling of the numbers? It said in the book, how many brothers do you have? Here. Li. So sister, how would you answer it, Ruxana? Lahu arba'u akawatin. So lahu thalathatu
akawatin.
Ikhwatin.
Or ikhwatin.
Yeah. So explain to me now. Why am I using thalathatu? Why can I not use thalathu? Thalathu ikhwatin. Explain what is ikhwa. Is it singular or plural?
It's plural.
Yep.
It's plural. Ikhwatin is plural, masculine. So that should be the number should be opposite that. Ne?
Okay.
Opposite.
So what do you mean opposite? Explain.
Like if that is feminine, then the number should be masculine.
Okay. So what's feminine here?
The ikhwatun.
Okay. Let me remind you.
Plural feminine.
Yeah. Let me remind you again. Let me remind you. Roxana, remind you. Now, some nouns in the singular, they are masculine. They are masculine. And when they become plurals, they become feminine. Like the word ikhwatin. Ikhwatin has a ta marbuta at the end. So the singular number will deem whether the numbers will come masculine or feminine. Because ikhwa is feminine, but the singular is masculine, so we will use the feminine numbers. So that's the reason why we
the numbers are masculine.
Numbers are feminine.
Yes. No, numbers are feminine. Numbers are feminine. The singular of akhun, the singular of ikhwatun is masculine. Akhun, hada akhi. This is my brother. Akhun is masculine, even though the plural is feminine. Write this down, Sister Ruxana. So always the singular of the noun will determine whether the numbers will come masculine or feminine. If the singular, the noun is masculine, the numbers will be feminine. If the singular of the noun is feminine, then the numbers will, if the singular of the noun is masculine, then feminine. If the singular is feminine, then masculine, vice versa.
Correct.
Right, I want you to ask the next question, Sister Ruxana. Go ahead, ask next question.
Kam uktan lahu. How many sisters does he have?
Sister Naim, answer.
له أربع أخوات. He has 4 sisters.
Why did you say arba'u akhawatin? Why can you not say arba'atu akhawatin?
Because akhawatin is feminine, so arba will come masculine.
Correct, correct. You might as well, Naim Fatma, do the next one. Aina.
أين أخواته?
Yeah, where is?
Where is his?
Sisters.
Sisters.
Sundarji, reply to that question.
Akhawatuhu min fil Hind.
No. أفي الهند هن الآن؟ لا.
لا إنهن
مدينة المنورة.
لا إنهن
بالمدينة
المنورة.
Translation, what does that mean?
No, surely they are from.
They are in.
They are in Madinat al-Munawwara with my father and my mother.
Correct. Now I'm going to leave it as it is because I want to take my time in these lessons with you guys, with this group. So I want you now to practice these exercises. So Hashimun, Talibun, Kaslanu, answer the correct ones, which are the correct ones. And then over here, as I explained to yourself, when any of the detached pronouns is attached with inna, these abbreviations come. Innahu, innaha, innaka, innaki, and so on. So I want you to do this exercise 4 as homework, and exercise 5 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. There's quite a bit of exercises which needs to be done, and I will go through them in class because I want you to do this because I want to then go back to the lesson itself. I want to go back to the lesson and explain the concept kathir. Why is it ana uhibbuka kathira? So I will explain next week why is it kathir, and also explain what is the actual i'rab of dhu. Dhu comes in the meaning of possession. I will need to explain that next week. So I don't want to explain that today because it may be too much to absorb. So inshallah, that's the reason why I want you to do the exercises, so you become familiar with the exercises, so that I can give you additional information about kathir and dhu itself. Any questions so far?
So in short, we have to finish the whole lesson from exercise number 2 up to the end.
That's right, please.
Okay.
Okay. And also, does anyone have any questions?
Sheikh?
Okay. Okay, Dr. Shabir Karim, can you recite Dua Faraj then, please?
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم كن لوليك الحجة ابن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه عرضك طوعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم.
Jazakallah. Those people didn't get a chance today, so inshallah I'll give them a chance next week, inshallah.
Thank you
so much.
Jazakallah, Sheikh.